Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete recent history in Google Maps. First of all, open up your Google Maps application on your iPhone. Now here, if you tap on the search bar, you will find a list of recently searched locations. After that, go back and simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on the settings option. After that, scroll down and you will find the Maps History option here. So simply tap on it. Then scroll a bit and here you will see your complete search history in Maps. Here you can delete your map history one by one, or you also clear your entire history at once. So if you want to delete individually, simply tap on the cross in front of each of them. And if you want to delete your entire history, tap on the delete option. Now in the drop down menu, tap on the delete all time option. So this is how you can delete your recent history in Google Maps. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.